See, I'm having a very small device in front of you known as Smart SMD Tester. So this is the box, and inside the box you will get one user manual and the product itself. So I really like this plastic case because it's very hard and sturdy, so I really like it. So apart from this device, you will get two extra pins. Like if these pins got damaged, you just have to unscrew these two screws from both sides and you can replace these pins. Okay, let's coming to the device. The model number is MS8910 Smart SMD Tester. The brand is Tech. So like I was going through Amazon and I found some other brands also for the same product. It's having an auto power off option, two physical buttons, one is F and one is H. F is for function and H is for hold, like you can hold any value which is displaying on the screen. Let's going to the back side. It's having a 3V CR2032 battery. You just have to unscrew this and you can change the battery. Okay, let me turn it on. You just have to press and hold the function button. Yeah, it's on. The very first option is scan. So I think this is the only reason, according to me, it's the device is known as a smart device, because like you just have to put these two probes on any component and it will tell you what component it is and what is the value. So it's doing a smart work. So this is the first option. Let's go to the second option. Okay, it's for resistance as it's showing mega ohms. It's for continuity. You can just touch these probes. Yeah, it's creating a sound. Yeah, this is for diode. This is for capacitor. So I think there are 5 options. Let me check. 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, there are total 5 modes. So let me check a component. So I'm into the scan mode and let me check. Okay, I found one diode. So let me check. It's a very common diode. Let me check what's it showing. It's showing it's a diode on the top right and the value of the diode. So I think this is the only reason why this device is called smart device. Anyways, so I really like this device because like from multimeter it's not possible to reach out all the places from those bulky probes. Just because of that only, these probes are very thin and very sharp. Like as it's mentioned, it's a SMD tester. So like as you guys know, SMDs are very small, so this will help you to check all the components very easily. So I really like it. So now when it comes to turning off the device, I asked the seller, like I bought it from a local market, because in Amazon and in the local market the prices are almost similar. So I just asked the seller how to turn it off manually, and he told me it's only having the option of auto power off. So I just found some way out. So you just have to press and hold the F button and it will turn off. Here you go. So I think if the seller is watching this video, he will definitely tell other customers how to turn it off. Anyways, jokes apart, so I really like this product. I just bought it, so once I will use it for some time, and if I will face any issues or any wrong reading would be there, I will definitely share it with you all guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you soon. Bye bye.